Tired of battling breakouts and confused about which cleanser will actually clear your acne? First up, the Minimalist Cleanser, packing a potent punch of 5% salicylic acid. This is your warrior against clogged pores. Salicylic acid is a BHA, meaning it dives deep into your pores, dissolving oil and dead skin cells that cause those pesky pimples. Use a pea-sized amount, massage gently for 60 seconds, then rinse thoroughly. Now, let's talk Cetaphil. This classic is known for its ultra-gentle formula, ideal for sensitive skin. Cetaphil cleanses without stripping your skin's natural oils, reducing irritation. It's best suited for those with milder acne or as a second cleanse in a double cleansing routine. So, which wins? For moderate to severe acne, the Minimalist Cleanser is the clear choice due to its salicylic acid. If you have sensitive skin, or just want a gentle cleanser to use alongside acne treatment, stick with Cetaphil. Remember to patch test any new product before applying it to your entire face and always follow with a moisturizer.